What's up everyone, it's me Amir, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna learn to create 3D lettering effect using blend tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I wanna activate the smart guide and create background with this rectangle tool over here. And then click the color palette layer to make it visible. Change the background color using a dropper tool and lock the background layer to make it haven't any movement anywhere. Next, grab the text I've been created and move it to the center. And then make the circle over here with the ellipse tool. Fill the color with gradient tool and make it 35. Let's copy and paste the color code on each point. After that, hold shift, drag it and press alt to copy the circle. And then press Ctrl D to duplicate it. And then select all the circle and go ahead to Object, Blend, make the spacing to specific steps and change the number to 300 and hit OK. Go again on Object, Blend and Make. Once you've done that, copy the blend result and then select this line, hold shift and select this blend result, and I'm going to Object, Blend and replace spine. Yeps, and this is it. But we will fix this little problem with direct selection tool. Just click on this circle and delete it. And this one over here, 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 and here. Repeat the steps to all of these lines. Yeps. Oh, I wanna fix on this part. This too. And then I wanna make it reverse front to back. And bring to front. And add the drop shadow. And finally, bring to front this too. And we did it. Thanks for all of you guys for watching this video, and I'm really appreciate if you can subscribe this channel, like, share and comment, so we can learn and growing up together. Keep adding your creativity into your daily life. Bye.